Here it is, you guys. Alright guys, it's been a few days since I swapped out that rear axle. Today is November 20th. It's almost been like a month since the event, so I really haven't driven the Galant since the event. I had to go run an errand. I have to run to a post office to ship out a grounding kit. Remember, I make grounding kits for many chassis. This is a kit for a Honda. It's a EK Honda with the B series swap. The guy wanted my upgraded wire, blue sleeving with the red ends, copper terminals, and this is the valve cover to chassis. So if you're one of my Honda subscribers that are watching, go look at your valve cover to chassis ground and see how crusty that is compared to my kit. So I gotta go out and ship this. Lots of new subscribers lately. Thank you guys for the support. Lots of cool things I want to do on the channel. I got lots of plans, guys. Lots of plans. But yeah, just keep in mind, I do make grounded kits, Mitsubishi chassis. I have tons of chassis for you guys as well. Nissan chassis. I got a lot. So I'm going to run to the post office, drop this off, and then go on a deserted road in Mexico and do a pull and see if that issue is gone, which it should be gone. I shouldn't have that the front wheel drive burnouts no more if you guys saw the last video. So yeah, I'll turn it back on in a minute. Let me get to the post office. Thanks, guys. Alright, got the grounding kit shipped out. Let's see. We'll just do probably like a second gear pull. Nothing too crazy. Oh yeah. Feels good again. Yep, it's fixed. Kind of did feel like it pulled a little weird. notice it till the top of 4th. So I guess I really won't know until I take the car out. Or give it like a bigger road to stretch out on, like getting on the freeway or something. But right now I don't have time for that. So I'm just gonna take it home. We're gonna call it good for now. So there goes some more pulls, guys, at the Galant. Let me know how you guys like this angle. I want to use the GoPro, the head mount. I can't even think what it's called, but I like this angle with this camera. It gives it a nice wide angle, like you see everything. So let me know what you guys like, or if you guys want me to try the head mount. But like, subscribe, share. Hope you guys enjoy the video. That's all I got today. The car, as far as I want to say, is fixed. At least I hope it's fixed. But the car is just going to be parked for a while. I don't feel like really driving it with the bad drive shaft. I do need to put the exhaust back on. Maybe take it out for Thanksgiving. But, alright guys, like, subscribe, share. Give us a thumbs up. Share the video. And thank you